Assalamu alaikum children. Today we are going to learn days of the week यानी हफ्ते के दिन. There are 7 days in a week यानी हफ्ते के 7 दिन होते हैं. कौन से है वो 7 दिन? इंग्लिश में हम देखते हैं. First one is Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Sunday का मतलब होता है इतवार. Next one is M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Monday मतलब पीर. Third one is Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Tuesday का मतलब है मंगल. Next W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Wednesday मतलब बुध. अगला है T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Thursday यानी जुमेरात. Next is F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Friday का मतलब है जुमा. और आखिरी वाला दिन है Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Saturday यानी शनिचर. Thank you students.